Hello students, welcome to my channel. We are studying chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. We are already done with grades of organization, where we talked about cell, tissue, organ system and an organism. We also talked about the discoveries that are associated with the cell. We have also talked about what is cell theory, who gave it and who made a modification in it after few years. So if you have not watched these videos, please go and watch them first and then watch this video in our series. Let's get started to the current topic now. In this video, we will talk about unicellular and multicellular organisms. In last video, I asked what is the meaning of uni and what is the meaning of multi. We will be talking about these in this video. So here we will be talking about unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Right? We already know what are organisms. We will be talking about uni and multi. So uni means single. Right? So the organisms that are single-celled, single-celled means they will just contain a single cell, only one cell in them, that are single-celled are called unicellular organisms. This is the easiest definition that I could give you. So uni always means one. It is universal in bio, okay? In contrast to unicellular, the definition of multi will become multi means many. So all the organisms that are many-celled, they are known as multicellular organisms, okay? In unicellular organisms, as there will be a single cell, so that single cell has to perform all the functions that are required for the living of a cell, be it reproduction, excretion, digestion, excretion, all the functions will be performed by one cell. So in this case, we will use a term division of labor. Means the work will not be divided among the cells because the number of cells are only one. So in this case, we will be writing that division of labor is absent. In contrast to this, in multicellular, we would be writing division of labor is present. Whatever you are writing at a specific point in differentiation, make sure you write about it only in the second one. Like here, I have written about division of labor, right? In the unicellular, in the second point. And here in the multicellular also I have written about division of labor. Here we were talking about the meaning of uni and here we have talked about the meaning of multi. So make sure you write the differentiation in this way only. Next and the last thing will be the examples. So two examples basically should be written. One is amoeba and another is paramecium. Okay, because these are the scientific names and there is a rule that whenever you are writing scientific names, you must underline them. Here in the case of multicellular, the examples will be plants and animals. As per my teaching experience, I have found out that majority of the students, they don't know that plants are actually multicellular. So please do listen very, very carefully that plants, they come in the category of multicellular because they are being made up of many cells and they do have division of labor in their body, right? So we are done with unicellular and multicellular. Now the question of this video is that you name any 4 different cells of human body. Whosoever will be replying to this question in the comment, I will take the name of that student in my next video. As soon as I'll see to it, I'll include your name in the upcoming video. Stay tuned for more videos. In next video, we will discuss about different types of cells in the human body and how do they look. Please do consider subscribing and sharing of my channel so that everyone could take the benefit. Happy learning. See you in next video.